Windows 25, or some people will call it Windows 2025, is a cool new mod that has got Windows fans really excited. It fixes a bunch of annoying things that people have complained about in Windows 11. Honestly, it feels like you are using a whole new level of Windows. It's clean, it's fast, and it just looks awesome. So let's dive in and get started. Before we do anything, we are going to create a restore point. This is super important. If anything goes wrong, or even if you want to stick back to your plain old Windows 11, you will be able to roll back everything safely. Think of it as a safety net for your system settings and files. Better safe than sorry, right? Now, head to the video description below and download all the required files. I have linked everything you need down there. Just get them onto your desktop and we'll move on to the next steps. Now, extract the contents of SecureUxTheme tar file and copy all the contents to your C drive. Once the files have been moved, right-click on the theme tool and run it as your administrator. Just enable these two checkboxes and click on the install button. You will now be prompted to reboot your system. Just go ahead and click yes. Once rebooted, it's time to extract the contents of your Windows 25 file. Once extracted, open the Windows 11 theme folder and copy both the files. Now go to your C drive, open the Windows folder and look for resources. Under themes, paste both these files. Once done, go back to your SecureUxTheme folder in your C drive. Again, right-click on the theme tool and run it as an administrator. Here, select Windows 25 and click on Patch and Apply. Now you will see this beautiful Windows 25 mod theme that has been applied to your Windows 11. Now, we will apply the custom icon pack for the Windows 25 mod. To do this, extract this folder on your desktop. Once extracted, rename this file to make it an exe and run it as an administrator. Click on Add a custom icon pack and go to your Windows 25 theme folder. Here, select the icon pack file and click on Start Patching button to apply the changes. Once the patching is complete, you will be prompted to restart your PC. Just go ahead and click Yes to reboot your PC. Once the system is patched, you will see these beautiful Windows 25 icons that will replace your default and boring Windows 11 icon set. Next, double-click on the StartAllBack application and install it. Once installed, right-click on your taskbar and click on Properties. Now, make the on-screen changes that you see, and you will be good to go. So here, you are turning off the Enhanced Classic taskbar. Next, you will turn off the Enhanced Classic Start menu. And lastly, you will use the classic Windows 7 command bar. Once done, close this application. Now it's time to add that sweet modern touch to your file explorer. To do that, extract the contents of Release 64 folder onto your desktop and move this folder to your C drive. Now, open this folder and run the register file as administrator. Lastly, we have to install Windhawk and modify our low-level behaviors in Windows 11. These include Windows 11 Start menu, taskbar height and icon size, and Windows 11 taskbar. Just follow the on-screen instructions to make sure these crucial changes are done. And one last and final modification to our configuration file of ExplorerBlurMica. You have just turned your Windows 11 into a stunning Windows 25 experience. And don't forget, if you ever want to go back, just use the restore point we have created in the beginning. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe for more amazing customization videos like this. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one.